Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2001 Ford Laser GLX Hatch, stock reference number 3965. This shape runs from the 2nd month 1999 through to the 9th month 2002. It has an FP 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. FP 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left rear and the right rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Chrome radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand corner light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 71,000 kilometres, and a 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.